When doing my research, I've mainly figured out that these devices have been improved a lot. Like they've been constantly like there's just constantly students at universities, and probably private companies. Yeah, there definitely are private companies, working on these products to make them better so that they can sell them and just have them like use them for more situations. Um, so cloaking went from being science fiction like a decade ago, a little over a decade ago, um, to being impractical to being very usable very fast. So that's really the main thing that you should take away from this is that like clicking is only going to get better very quickly, just like a lot of the other technology areas. It's just it's gonna keep getting improved and better. Yeah, it's gonna be really crazy. Yep. Thank you for watching.